Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Yes, you are seeing me. Yes, ma'am. I am out and about. Just left Dollar General to do my 5 off of 25. And you know, today is Saturday. How's everyone going? How's everyone doing? I am doing okay. Just living it day by day on this coupon. Still on this coupon journey. I love couponing. But first, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers, okay? So, just go ahead and like this video. Share this video. Because, you know, during the week, I do sometimes bring you deals that that you can do during the week. You can do now, but today is my Saturday haul. So, let me go ahead and show you all what I got. Yes, this is a low out of pocket. Not a low, but a low out of pocket. I was looking at my glasses. I got some little glasses that is in my boutique. I do have a boutique. It is Chere'er Boutique. I actually sell trendy sunglasses. I actually sell accessories, which these earrings that I have on right now. I have these on my website. Is in a set. It's like a big hoop, a medium size hoop, and then these are the small hoops. So I do have these on my website. And then also I sell cold processed soap. Yes, that is what is in my boutique. So I know y'all didn't come here to hear me rambling about that, but let's go ahead and get to this video so I can show you what I got, okay? So y'all, the first thing I got was the Swiffer. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. Swiffer starter kit. This is a glitch. The $4 is still going off. They are $5.50, and the $4 digital is coming off. You want to make sure it's the game one, but also scan it before you purchase, okay? The next thing is this Downy. This is so good. Rinse and refresh. This is $6 and let's see, $6.95. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. All right. The next thing are the stems. Let me get the other one. These right here is for ants, roaches, and flies, and anything, because this is great. But when you spray it, make sure you get back because it has a powerful scent. They are $7 a piece, and there is a digital coupon of $7.50 when you purchase 2 of them, okay? The next thing is this right here, this Febreze warmer. It is $3.25. There is a $2.30 off digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing, well, no, it's not the last thing. I'm digging in my bag. The next thing are these. These are the Pantene. They in the trial size. They are $1.25. You have to purchase 3. There is a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching. I went ahead and got all conditioner. I didn't even try to see if there was any, if the shampoo scan. I just did conditioner, but the conditioner is scanning. So these are, like I said, these are $1 and hold on, $1.75 a piece, and there is a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching. And then the last thing I got, yeah, I'm dropping stuff, is this Dove Men Care. It is actually a it's the Clean Comfort, and it is a hydrating body and face wash. Okay, this is, y'all, it is $1. Hold on, where is it at? $2. It is $2. Okay, there is a $3 off digital coupon, but it marked it down to $1.99. But I went to an old store. As far as the receipt is concerned, I went to an old store and it didn't give me no overage or anything. It just discounted to $1.99. And my 5 off of 25 did come off. My subtotal after everything, once I put everything on the belt, she rung it up, I put my number in, and my all my digitals came off, and my subtotal was $8.16. And you know, everybody's taxes is different. And my total savings was $28.79. Yes, $28.79. So let me show you my receipt. I hope you can see it. I hope y'all can see the receipt, but it is $8.16. All right, so that's it. So thank you all for coming by Miss Nanda's channel. Welcome. Thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.